So in the previous video we added this contact form 7 plugin. Now I will show you the difference between blog and static home page. If you click home, so you can see we have this thing like blog, and the articles are appearing here with the sidebars. Now what actually we want to do, we want to separate this blog, and home page should be a static or dynamic page. So what we can do, in all pages you can see we have about us and contact us. First of all, create a blank page like home, type the title home, and something like I will add here, this is the home page content, and publish this page. Now in the settings you can see reading, go to reading. So here you can see in the reading section, your home page displays your latest post. Whatever we are adding any new post, it shows in the home page. So home page displays your latest post. So instead of latest post, now we want a static page. So just click on a static page and home page will be home, and then save changes. Now refresh your page, you can see like home is there, and this is the home page content. Now blog is not appearing here. And we will add one more thing, like we will add one more page, and that, now where is blog? So blog should be separate. So we will add here blog, a blank page blog, publish it, and go to the menu section, like we have header menu. After the travel I will add blog here. So the blog page, this is the top menu, I will add it main menu, and will add blog link here, and then save menu. Now once we refresh the page, blog is there. So if I open blog, you can see posts are not appearing here because this is a simple page. So now we will go back to the settings and reading, and as we set the static page, now we will set the post page also. The post page should be blog, and then save changes. And now if you click on blog, you can see our post will appear in the blog. Perfect. So now home is separate and blog is separate. So in blog all articles will appear, categories are separate, and in the home section you can see this is separate. And if you want, like if you click on pages, all pages, and edit home page, front page, and if you click the layout like full page, first try from here in this theme, you can see it is not changing. So we can go to appearance, customize option we will discuss in the next video, but right now only for this, like front page content will be one column, and publish it. And then if we refresh the page, you can see front page content is now one column layout. So this is one column layout, and all other like blog we can see with sidebar, two sidebar. One of the posts, you remember I removed one sidebar, and there is only one sidebar. So home is, now you can see static page, blog is separate. So like this we can do this thing. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video we will discuss like appearance customize section. Okay, thank you very much once again, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.